Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a young man named Aiden. Aiden was known throughout the village as the best thief around. He was swift, cunning, and a heart never been caught. But he had a secret that gnawed at his conscience every night as he lay in his hideout. One clear night, as Aiden looked up at the full moon, he felt a sudden urge to change his ways. He decided he would steal one last time, not for his own gain, but to help the poor and needy in his village. He knew it was a risky endeavor, but he couldn't ignore the call of his heart. Aiden carefully planned his heist. He knew that the wealthy merchant in the neighboring village had a chest full of gold coins that could change the lives of many in his own village. With the moonlight guiding his way, he set off on his mission. As he approached the merchant's house, Aiden noticed a guard patrolling the area. He had to rely on all his skills to remain hidden. After what felt like hours, he finally reached the chest of gold. As he was about to make his escape, the merchant's daughter, Lily, appeared. Startled, Aiden stepped out of the shadows. Lily was young and innocent. She looked at him with wide, trusting eyes. Aiden couldn't bring himself to harm her or steal from her family. Instead, he whispered to her, I came here to take this gold, but I can't do it. Not when you look at me like that. Your family will never know I was here. Use this gold wisely, and one day, when you can help those in need. Nodded, tears in her eyes, and Aiden disappeared into the night. The next morning, the merchant discovered the open chest, but nothing was missing. Instead, a note was left behind explaining Aiden's intentions. Word of the kind hearted thief spread throughout the village, and Aiden's reputation transformed from that of a criminal to a hero. Aiden never stole again. Instead, he used his skills to protect his village and help those less fortunate. The moon that had once shone down on his thieving ways now served as a reminder of his transformation and the power of compassion. And so, the village of Aiden and the moon became a symbol of redemption and the belief that even those who had gone astray could find their way back to the path of goodness and light.